I always knew that I had some relatable stories to tell.
You was at your mom's on couch on the beats I shift. At the bus stop I slipped. Tell me what you know about that.
My story hasn't been told, and so there's a lot of people all over the country that can relate, so their story is also not being told. Now that I know I have people listening, I'm driven to tell those stories.
I could never be like them cause they move like snakes and they sound like jokes. One hand in my bag might risk it, no biscuit when I let that go. They can never be like me cause I move 2G when I stand 10 toes. Yo, one hand on my heart, I'm lifted, young gifted, but the voice still broke.
Born and raised in South Auckland. If I had to sum it up in like a few words, raw, real, confrontational. I know kids that were like 11 years old that made a living off of selling foils. It looks way better now, G. I went to James Cook High School. Didn't graduate, actually, but that's calm. This is the park where everyone comes to WAG, or everyone comes before school. Yeah, the mud. Don't miss this shit. I just remember f***ing up my school shoes, having to walk through the park. My old house is just over there. When we go late, you don't get let into school. Gotta wait till next period or something, so I'll be f***ing around here, and you have to watch out, because there's a deck there that can see the whole park. My brother would be out there, and I'd have to be like ducking, like, you know? When I was young, literally all the people that were adults, like the uncles and the aunties, were either addicts or dealers or patch members. There wasn't really many people that I could look to and be like, oh, I could do that when I get old, or I could maybe do that. Not many options for me. The pressure, it really makes diamonds. I've seen people make the best out of nothing.
3, 2, 1. Never seen no one quite like me. If, but I stay 2G. If, but I can't beat Cloud. If, when I'm on that beat, I make the beat sound more on. Then it makes the whole crowd more on. Get blazed, but I don't sound more on. Tell a buster, get out the crowd more on. I'm blessed to burn the mic. Nowadays do less to earn a hype. Not me, got tested through the flame. OP can't test them on the new school. I am the new school, I run the new school all day. Get blazed, but I don't lounge all day. Stay home and I write rhymes all day. Online PlayStation, but I don't play.
Music has been the only thing I've been good at, you know? Like, I'm not really well-versed in many other things. So it was either music or nothing. From early, it was either music or nothing.
I constantly have to tell myself, like, you're doing this, you have to go hard, there's no other option.
Yeah, don't know them, don't rate them either. Don't play them on a Bluetooth speaker when
So my older brother, he was the rapper. I never wanted to do it. I was like, rapping is so dumb, I'd rather like write a guitar riff or something. I was making beats for him, making beats for like the bros. And I was like, wait, I could just do it. Like, I could just do this myself. Wrote my first rap, put it on SoundCloud. It was done. I don't know, I feel like it could be a bit more stuttery, like that Mad Lib beat with the hi-hat.
It's been really good to find people that I click with. Dead is such a mad scientist, and his ideas are so, like, out the gate.
There's a lot of thought that goes into not trying purposely to be different, but trying to not do what everyone else is doing. Have your music stand out. Oh, that one. Yeah, I kind of like that. Maybe that with a snare.
I hear it's been a good night tonight. My name is DeadForest. On the ones and twos, we got Dead on Milan. Okay, you guys know the hook to this one, right? We just came for the bass. Please no phones in the place. She's trying to get saved. Really, move that shit from her face.
When I started doing shows and that, it'd be like an out-of-body experience for me to just be on the stage. So I'd be on the train home, just buzzing off the show, like, this is so sick that I get to do this. Zero money in my bank, zero money in my pocket, but it was just cool.
My dad's Māori and my mom's Samoan. She came here from the islands when she was like 21, early 20s.
My dad left just before I was born. He suffers from bipolar schizophrenia, and I think it runs in his family, so his dad as well. And that's all there is to say about that side of the family, really. I don't really know much about them. The song Get Back, I was so nervous because I've never done anything like that, and I didn't think that I'd be doing like a song in te reo. And for a movie like that, like, fuck, that was huge. Being Māori and Samoan, growing up not feeling like you're either, and then making a song like that, it's scary, bro. I don't know how people would receive it. Even when we put it out, I was biting my fucking nails. Like, the people that needed to like it, liked it, and that's all for me. And then to also have Māori people resonate and say, fuck, good job, that's me. Like, bro, that's gonna sit with me for a while, you know what I mean? It's blessed at the moment. We're in a position where we have full creative control. There's no pressure from any outside sort of sources. And then we get paid to do shows as well, so it's like, it's super blessed. I never would have thought I could get to this point, you know? Just found out my girlfriend's hapu, and I think that's gonna be me. That's pretty much my objective for the next however long, man, and I'm excited.
Yo, what if I told you that I never passed level 3? Was in the trenches where the devil be. Ever since birth they couldn't settle me. Yum yum noodles in an ice cream container. Classroom doodles on a blank piece of paper.
So many people think that they need to be a character when they rap. I can't fake it, man. That's just not me. I'd much rather hear your real character, like, what did you eat for breakfast or something? That's what I'm really interested in.
Still have a bit more truth to share.
I feel like I'm not alone in my story.
And I just want to keep making music for people that don't have the voice. Just knowing that someone in fucking Whangarei caught on to one line in one song, that means I'm doing something right, and I'm gonna keep doing it.
Tohi a mai au ki te tohi au tū kāriri, tū kāniwa. Tohi a mai au ki a toa i ki te maunga.